5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program.
From our About Space Today World Headquarters, I'm John Gomez, and here are the stories you need to know about. Astronauts are learning to make cement in space. And a short update on our favorite spacecraft, Boeing Starliner. You'll hear about this and more next, as America and the world is listening to About Space Today.
D&D Cruise and Tours is the official agent for About Space, and we invite you to come fly away to all-inclusive resort island destinations, or a cruise vacation from Port Canaveral, and even visit the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex, or just come and see the parks. Call for a discount cruise or an island getaway or the Florida beaches. Call today. The call is free, and so are our services. Call 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. We are Florida's group travel specialists.
Welcome back. Did you know that astronauts on the ISS are actually learning how to mix cement in microgravity? That's right. But they aren't doing it just as some scientific test. They're learning to make cement in microgravity with lunar soil. Okay, simulated lunar soil, but you get the idea. The experiment is part of the Material Science on Solidification of Concrete hardening investigation, which is using different combinations of cement, water, sand, simulated lunar soil, and other additives. And the point of all of this is when Artemis 3 launches in 2026, the goal is to start having more people on the ground, boots on the ground, long-term on the moon. So you got to have habitats, you got to build out habitats. So the hope here is to build habitable structures using moon-based cement mixed right on the surface. There are other goals here, and other goals include finding viable alternatives to cement to construct those habitats. So Artemis astronauts are going to be very busy up there. And boy, folks, at About Space Today, we can't wait to tell you more about Artemis 2, Artemis 3, and what those missions bring, and the possibilities for those in the future of space travel. And finally this week, a unique update on everyone's favorite spacecraft, Boeing Starliner. Or should I say Calypso? That's right. See, at some point, the craft is going to undock from the International Space Station. When that happens, the craft will be known as call sign Calypso. NASA astronaut Sonny Williams, commander of Starliner, named the spacecraft Calypso after Jacques Cousteau's oceanography vessel, the RV Calypso, and her love of the ocean.
A little homage to other explorers and the ships that they've on. I think we're going to call her Calypso. The ocean, I love what the ocean means to this planet. We would not be this planet without the ocean. There's so much to discover in the ocean, and there's so much to discover in space. It just seemed like a natural marriage.
Whether you call it Starliner or Calypso, let's just all hope the spacecraft and the astronauts return safely to Earth soon. Make sure you check out our Facebook page, aboutspace.today, for launches and landings. You can find us on your favorite podcast platforms. Just don't forget to mash the like and subscribe button, especially on YouTube. Check out Special Report twice a month from David Denault and America in Space every Friday with Don Meyer. And hey, whether you're listening from the International Space Station or just on your phone here in the U.S., thanks for joining me. I'm John Gomez, and you just learned a little about space today.